What's up? This is Steve at Stereo Steve's. Just finished up this 2015 Toyota 4Runner. Let's check it out and see what we did. All right, here back in the cargo area, we built this enclosure that fits in the void that was covered by some paneling. So we trimmed out the paneling and we built an enclosure, and the kind of the style I guess we did on this enclosure is called the stack enclosure. So we've taken a piece of wood and routed out the general size that fits in there, and then routed out the opening, and then we just kept stacking layer and layer and layer and put a front and a back on it, and then built this trim piece to fit over the enclosure and tie it in and make it look real nice. This grill, if you take a look at the grill, this is a flat piece of metal, but we pressed it to fit and fit this enclosure, fit this paneling. There's another one right there where the port is. Retained the factory outlet and 12-volt power point. So it came out really nice. Ported enclosure. Kept all the cargo area free right here, so you can still put things in the back of the vehicle. Amplifiers under the front seat, but it came out really nice. You want a ton of bass, but you don't want to take up space. This is a fabulous option. Any questions, concerns, give us a call, 801-709-1285. We're in Orem, Utah at 243 West, 700 North. I'm Steve, Stereo Steve. I'm the owner. Thanks for watching this video, and have a wonderful day. Later.